everybody, Youngblood here. That's a wrap, and today we're wrapping a helmet for Chad Mifek from Owatonna, Minnesota. And we're gonna go over a couple steps with the knifeless tape, get it cleaned up, and get you on the tripod. Not close enough. Alright guys, we just got this one all knifeless tape, got around the visor here knifeless taped, and we're going to put one down the center here before we start wrapping the sides. Catch you guys on the tripod. Sleep action, baby. Yep. See a little off. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the Chad Mifek helmet. Let us know in the comment section below what you think.